you 100. I sell for you only 50.
400 normally?
Normally 4 pack 100 baht.
Oh.
We discount for you 4 pack 50 baht.
4 pack 50 baht?
Yes.
Let me see. What is this?
This one for the jelly. You can try. We have the free taste for you.
Ah.
Yeah, you can try free taste for you.
Hold on.
This one is the อันนี้เป็นอะไร
อันนี้เป็นแดงโซดาค่ะ
This one is like red soda.